The 2024 model year takes the Sierra HD lineup to new heights with premium luxury and comfort, turbocharged pulling power and elevated technology, offering the most trailering assistance technology in its Class 1. In addition to the debut of the Denali Ultimate trim, the 2024 Sierra HD will build upon GMC's premium off-road offerings, introducing the off-road optimized Sierra HD at 4X trim later in the model year. The new and enhanced 2024 Sierra HD builds on an already winning foundation, said Duncan Aldred, Vice President of Global Buick and GMC. This truck elevates the HD segment with the introductions of the Denali Ultimate trim and will soon add the seriously off-road, capable at 4X trim, further strengthening the dominance of the GMC truck portfolio. Enhanced power with the combination of the available 6.6L Duramax Turbo Diesel V8 and 10-speed Allison transmission delivering 470 horsepower and 975 lb-ft of torque and providing 25% more low-end torque versus the current model for a greater feeling of power on demand. New towing features and improved capabilities. Heavy-duty trucks are all about towing, so the pickup has a new max tow package that will enable the Sierra HD 2500 Crew Cab to have a best-in-class towing capacity of up to 21,900 pounds, 9,934 kilograms. In other configurations, the Sierra 2500 HD can tow up to 22,500 pounds, 10,206 kilograms, which is 4,000 pounds, 1,814 kilograms, more than the outgoing model. If that's not enough, the 3500 HD can tow up to 36,000 pounds, 16,329 kilograms. On the topic of towing, there are several new and improved features to make trailering easier. Key among them is adaptive cruise control with trailering support. It operates like a traditional adaptive cruise control system, but factors in additional drag and increased braking distances when towing a trailer. GMC's transparent trailer view technology has also been improved to support goosenecks and fifth wheels. It uses a camera mounted on the rear of the truck and a camera mounted on the back of a trailer to stitch together a live video that enables drivers to see through their trailer. Furthermore, the pickup gains a new GCW alert system that warns owners when the truck and trailer weight exceed the gross combined weight rating. The Sierra HD can also be equipped with trailer side blind zone alert, which extends the blind zone monitoring area to account for the length of trailers. Other tech features include forward collision alert, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. The model also has standard IntelliBeam headlights, a following distance indicator, and front pedestrian braking. Customers can also upgrade to the optional Pro Safety Plus package, which adds rear cross-traffic braking and the aforementioned trailer side blind zone alert. Inside, buyers will find an exclusive Alpine Umber interior with open-pore wood trim and full-grain leather that covers everything from the seats to the door panels. Other highlights include a Bose audio system with stainless steel speaker grilles, a micro-suede headliner, and 16-way power front seats with heating, ventilation, and massage functions. Other niceties include a 15-inch color head-up display. The 2024 GMC Sierra HD will arrive at dealerships in the first quarter of next year and be followed by an all-new at 4X variant. We'll learn more about that pickup closer to launch, but it will likely be an off-road focused model that blends adventure with luxury.